Junior, what you eating?
Hey, what is that?
I don't know.
It's a
It's a
snake.
clock. There's snakes in here. Is that spaghetti good?
Oh, it's better than this cup.
Is there paper on the cup? It's a picture.
It's better.
It's Superman.
It's better. Go.
Yeah.
A snake's really good.
There is no snakes. Will you stop saying that? You scare mommy. That's not funny. Are you trying to scare me? There's no snakes in here. Is the cracker good? You're not going to talk to me anymore? You're done with this conversation?